Hi, hello, welcome to Walk in Voice. What's wrong in copying? Here's a story for you. Our class 10 board exams were going on. It was a science exam, and the person sitting behind me was a girl. From the moment she had entered the exam hall, she kept requesting, I haven't read anything, I'm going to fail. Please show the answers of at least section A, which has 20 MCQs and blah blah. The exam started. She wasted at least 12 to 15 minutes of mine by disturbing me for the 20 MCQs. But she managed to ask those questions from me. Yeah, the invigilator was busy on something. Due to all this, I got a short of time for the 5 marks questions in the end. I was completely irritated, but somehow I completed my paper in a hurry in a bad handwriting. So sad of me. The warning bell rang. I was frustrated and thus preparing my mind how I'm going to scold her after the exam. As soon as we will exit the exam hall, I will go straight to her and tell, Are you out of your sense? Why were you poking me and disturbing throughout the exam? If you do this in the next paper, I will complain to the invigilator without any second thought. And yes, why don't you study even during exams? While I was thinking all this, suddenly a sound from the back which broke my concentration. That girl was talking to the nearby students in a very tensed and confused manner. Soon I got the matter. The final bell rang. We left the exam hall, but all those words I had planned to tell her were of no use now. I just came out of the exam center without saying a single word to her because we had got different sets and the questions in each set were different. And the moral of the story is, even in life, everyone has a different question paper. Don't let others to decide your future. This is your life, your responsibility. Everything you need is already inside you. Don't wait for others to light your fire. You have to do what's right for you. You will outgrow a lot of people once you start doing what's best for you. Never beat up on yourself for what may seem like a mistake. It was necessary for you to walk those paths to learn those lessons. Don't copy others. Be you and do what's best in you. Before that, believe in you. If you like this story, do share with someone who's in need to know about this, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.